Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into the high-stakes world of Web3 projects. As you know, security is paramount in the Web3 world. But what happens when the threats come from within? According to a Harvard report, a staggering 60% of new ventures fail due to team-related issues. That's why it's so important to vet your team members carefully. Their integrity, competence, and trustworthiness can make or break your success. So, how do you vet your team members? Here are a few tips. First, avoid relying on a superficial background check. Implement a comprehensive vetting process that respects privacy. Do not request sensitive information like credit card or social security numbers. Utilize tools to dig into open source information, looking for any red flags or discrepancies. Conduct security interviews to gauge the trustworthiness of potential team members. Stay vigilant for any irregularities, and when in doubt, seek clarification. Finally, perform a risk assessment. Weigh the red flags against the verified information. Now, here's the catch. Privacy is highly valued by Web3 developers. This is where a third-party security auditor plays a vital role. They can conduct investigations while ensuring the utmost confidentiality of personal information. Remember, in the ever-evolving world of Web3, security is your shield. Stay vigilant and protect your project from insider threats. Trust is earned, not assumed. To learn more, subscribe and visit certic.com/resources.